In today's fast-paced world, small business owners are constantly on the lookout for ways to streamline their operations and increase productivity. One proven method to achieve this is by automating your small business with business systems and software. In this video, we'll explore how Ember has helped hundreds of small business owners achieve an average productivity boost of 72% through automation. First, let's discuss what business automation entails. It involves implementing software and tools to handle repetitive tasks, manage data, and optimize processes. By automating these tasks, business owners can save time, reduce errors, and focus on more strategic aspects of their business. One of the key benefits of automating your small business is the ability to streamline your workflow. With the right software, you can easily manage tasks such as invoicing, scheduling, and customer relationship management. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Another advantage of automation is improved communication and collaboration among your team members. By using project management tools and instant messaging apps, your employees can easily share information, coordinate tasks, and stay updated on project progress. This leads to a more cohesive and productive team. Lastly, automating your small business can significantly reduce the risk of human error. By using software to handle tasks like data entry and calculations, you can minimize the chances of mistakes that could potentially cost your business time and money. In conclusion, automating your small business with the help of business systems and software is a smart move for any entrepreneur looking to increase productivity and efficiency. Ember has a proven track record of helping small business owners achieve these goals, resulting in an impressive average productivity boost of 72%. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your business to the next level. Consider automation today.